Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This is the LS all-wheel drive trim, so this one's pretty much mid-range. This one has a 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder under the hood with a 6-speed automatic. Exterior color is known as Summit White. Inside is medium ash gray. Total price for this one comes to $29,095. Nice soft touch leather here. Shoe cloth seats. USB chargers. Looks really, really good. All right. Inside, really, really nice. It's soft touch material is carried out here. Does feature push button start. Put your foot on the brake. Hit the button to go. So far, I really like this. It's a really fun car to drive. Really nice. I like it a lot. As I said, this is the mid-trim. You can get leather if you want. You can fully option these just the way you want. Good amount of torque from the 1.5 liter. This does have radar cruise control, so you can set your following distance and let the car do its thing. So far, I really like this. Easy to drive. I mean, I just came out of a dump truck, so let's keep that in mind too. Seating position I love. Visibility is absolutely excellent. The ride is really comfortable. Steering is perfect. Brake pedal feels great. Everything is awesome. I really like it. And for $30,000, you can't go wrong. Handling's really well. Really good. I like it. But yeah, to summarize, this is a bargain for $30,000, a really good mid-size SUV. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content and have a great day.